and welcome to YouTrip Podcast. We are coming to you live from Sate 2026, Yashubhumi, right at the heart of India's biggest travel and tourism marketplace. We are in conversation today with one of our travel agents to understand what is really shaping the travel industry this year. Let's get started. So, to start off, could you please introduce yourself in one line, your name, your company's name, and the city that you operate from?
My name is Paramveer Singh, and my company's name is PNR Club, and I operate from Delhi only.
Okay. So, in one line, what would you say is the biggest or the toughest part of being in the travel industry?
Toughest part, I would say, providing good service, right? Because this industry is based on service only, right? So अगर आप अच्छी सर्विस नहीं दोगे, so जो client है वो आपके पास दोबारा नहीं आएगा. So you have to be on calls जब भी client phone कर रहा है 24/7. So that is the toughest and the good part also.
Okay, so how did you think of starting your own travel agency?
It's very personal, right? Because I am very passionate traveler. Along with I do bike ridings a lot, right? So साथ में ही फिर मेरे को ऐसा था कि I used to travel a lot. So I thought कि why don't give it a chance and start करते हैं और एक community based कुछ platform बनाते हैं like PNR Club. So वहाँ पे हम सबको ही लेके जाते हैं as a community. हमारी community trips बहुत चलती हैं. So that's all. We started I think 7 months before.
Okay. Well, all the best.
Thank you.
Now, let us lighten it up with a quick rapid fire round where I would request you to answer the questions honestly. Keep the answers short, crisp, concise, and also witty if you want. So, budget clients, are they a blessing or a stress test?
Budget client. I think stress.
Okay. According to you, what will be the most happening destination this year?
Bali.
Okay. If you could instantly solve one problem in the travel industry, what would that be?
To automate the quoting and every process, right? कि client खुद आए और खुद सारी booking हो जाए, then we can add manual touch also.
Okay. What message would you like to give to the travel agents watching this?
Just provide best service, right? Because that's all we want. And तभी आपके पास retention आएगा clients का.
Got it. So choose one, booking via online portals or building personal relationships with travel companies.
Both. I think जो आप कर सकते हो खुद वो आप खुद करो. But if you want some customization or customized package, so obviously travel agent helps.
Okay. If you could go to one destination completely free, where would you go?
I want to visit Europe once.
Okay.
So if free, then yes.
Okay. So what is that one destination that you would sell forever?
Maldives, Bali, there are many, right? Maldives, Bali, Thailand. Yeah.
Okay. And lastly, what does good service truly mean to you?
Good service means कि मतलब I say to my team also कि client का ना पूरी trip में phone ही नहीं आना चाहिए वो इतना खुश होएगा, right? So if you are not getting any calls, so that means the service is top notch. और उसके बाद आपको feedbacks obviously अच्छे मिल ही जाएंगे. If you are constantly getting calls from trip ना on trip से, so that's not a good service, right? Because वो परेशान ही होगा.
All right. Thank you for joining
Thank
us
you.
today,
Thanks.
and thank you for being part of our discussion here at Sate 2026.
Thank you.